you fly over here?
I was waiting for you all.
I know you're filming it. See how you are? Woo! So this was our all bikes ride. It's a partnership between the VA and the Esperanza Bike Shop. We had veterans who have gotten adaptive bikes with us through the VA, as well as veterans who are riding two-wheel bikes. And we come together and we ride out on the trails. It's time for our veterans who are working to earn a bike through the VA to get some practice in and get some work on the bikes, try out different bikes, and then we'll meet the third Monday of every month, and we'll meet up and go riding, and we go as far as people are able to and turn around and come back and just enjoy a day of riding.
How far did we go today?
We did about 7 miles total today.
Really? It didn't seem that far.
No, it didn't. It's the beauty of bikes.
All right. Oh.